Hi, this is Akal from Kia Capital, and this is a request from my friend Abhinav, who wants me to give my view on PRICOL and Hindustan Copper. So this is the chart of PRICOL, and this is how it looks on the long-term chart. And if we see it close by, this is how also it looks. So the question is, should we buy it here or not? I want to highlight the point under these arrows. Look how these blues are, they're quite spread out. And look how these blues were here, they were also quite spread out, as opposed to the blues here, they are very tight here. So this is a good entry point. This is how we look at when we want to enter, not here. And see what happened here after the blues were spread out and we got a big black bar, and price came 1 2 3 4 months down. So we are somewhere here, and I wouldn't like to risk it to come it down, for it to come down to all this level 62. It's a chance, price can always come down like that, and the pattern is similar, so you don't want to do that. You want to buy here, these kind of white bars, or this one, not here. On the weeklies, let's look at it, how it looks in the weeklies. So on the weeklies, again, I always stress this white bar is when I get interested. This white bar is again when I get interested. After seeing these four white bars, black bars here, I don't really get interested. This hammer tells me don't short it, and this white bar tells me it might go some way sideways or might improve, but this is not a buy candidate right now. Let's see the chart of Hindustan Copper. This is the long-term monthly chart of Hindustan Copper that I have. I don't know if it was listed below 2010 or not, before 2010 or not. So it had been falling from listing or whatever the day the chart is till this point, where till very recently in end of September, and this is where the trend line gets broken, and we get interested in this chart. Before this point, since this August 2013, it has twice come to the levels of 40, 42, and now it is trading at a level of 88. So it's about 100 times higher level than this low in February end 2016, or this low in May end 2016. We would like it to go above this level, which is about 110, before we get serious with it or think about it. And on the weekly, we see something interesting again, or better. The positive is that it has given off the gains here, so it has had the selling, but the negativity is that it is still very up from these levels. This is a 58 level, and right now it is at 88 level. 60, 28, that's a 50% higher level than from where it started. And again, the blues are very spread out. That means they don't really hold much strength for the stock to go up. So we would like to see it. I think it will go into some consolidation here before it becomes okay for buying. So that was my input for these two stocks. Thanks a lot.